Hi everyone, today I'm talking about one of the new positions that I got into last week. I bought 3 new stocks and this is the second one of the 3 that I bought. Previously I talked about getting into Walgreens stock, and today I'm talking about the CBRE position that I got into, and there's also one more stock that I'll talk about in 2 days time, which was quite a big position compared to CBRE and Walgreens. These two were kind of like smaller positions, and the one that I'll talk about in 2 days time was quite a big position that I got into. But I talked about this company last week and saying that I might buy shares into it, and I did buy shares into it last week. I bought into these shares at CBRE at $50.05 per share, and that's what I got into. I talked about really in the last video if you want more detail about the company, but basically if you don't know the company, because it's not a well-known company overall, they basically deal with a lot of businesses when looking for, it's more of a commercial business, estate agent. So when a company's looking for bigger offices, they'll be one of the estate agents for selling them, or a warehouse. If a company's looking for a warehouse, they will be estate agents for warehouses that are being sold. And I've personally dealt with CBRE before, been talking to them, and they were the best commercial estate agent that I dealt with by far. How useful they were with information, getting back to you, helping you out. They were by far the best, and I kind of looked into this stock a while ago and I kind of like passed it on because of other stocks being on sale, and I looked into it again and I was like, this is actually a really good company, and it's actually had a really good run. And I normally don't buy companies at 52-week highs, I normally buy them on a discount, but I still believe that looking at the fundamentals of this company, it still has a lot more upside. And I don't have any, I'm not in any estate agents kind of stocks or companies right now, so I thought it was a good other sector to get into right now. And even though I'm not looking at this from a long-term kind of hold, there's no dividend play in this, it don't pay a dividend. It's still got quite a bit of upside, I feel, and I think there's still between 10 to 20% upside. And it's a position I see myself holding for a year, 2 years, and then maybe moving on and putting my money in something else. But I still feel there's a lot of upside in this company, and I really like it as well. So like I say, I got into it at 50.05. The PE was sitting at a 16 PE, which is quite okay, really. It could be a bit higher than this. When it kind of gets towards the 20 range, that's where I'd look at selling out. But PE of 16 is pretty good. The EPS side of it, the EPS is still growing near at 8% growth, which is quite good. The sales is quite healthy at 6.5%. And this company isn't really exciting overall, but when you look at the PE and how much the sales and EPS are still growing, it's quite good how well this company is doing. In that kind of sector, these guys have definitely got the best margins out there, especially with the sales and EPS side of it. It's a really exciting company in that sector, but it's not really an exciting company it's a estate agent company. It's not changing the world like Tesla or Nvidia. It's just a nice simple stock that I feel is undervalued slightly, that I can get a decent return on over the next 12 months. And I just kind of wanted to open up a little position into this company overall. So I'm quite happy that I have a position in this company, and like I say, I'll probably move on in a year's time from investing in this company. I just wanted to get into it really, to be honest with you. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that purchase. So yeah, when it gets around to the $60-70 per range, then I'll be looking probably to sell out of this company, which will hopefully be towards the end of the year, so we'll see what happens going forward. But yeah, bought into CBRE stock today, or last week should I say, so I'm happy about that. My next video, guys, I'll be talking about the other stock that I bought into, which was quite a big position really, and I'm really excited about that company. It was between this company and Nvidia, and I decided to go for this company, so I'll talk about that in 2 days time. And then it'll be about time for when I look at the stocks to purchase into April, which is kind of crazy thinking about that. So thanks for watching today, guys. I hope this gave you some information on CBRE stock if you're looking to get into a new stock at all. Hopefully it helped you out slightly. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support recently. It's been amazing. Near the 200 subscriber mark now, which is crazy. I didn't think we'd get there at all, so thank you for that. And I'll see you in the next video.